Have you ever been working on a PowerPoint presentation and wished you could quickly capture something on your screen, maybe a web page, a chart, or another window, and insert it directly into your slide? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to take a screenshot in PowerPoint 2016. It's a simple but powerful trick that can instantly make your presentations look more dynamic and professional. Let's jump right into it. First, open PowerPoint 2016 on your computer. If it's not already running, you can launch it by finding the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or by searching for it in your Applications menu. Once it's open, either create a new presentation or open an existing one where you'd like to add a screenshot. Now look at the top ribbon menu and click on the Insert tab. This tab is where you can add all kinds of new elements to your slides. Things like images, shapes, charts, and yes, screenshots. Inside the Insert tab, find the option labeled Screenshot. When you click on it, a small drop-down menu will appear. You'll see a preview of all the windows currently open on your computer. You could choose one of these to instantly capture the entire window, but for more control, we'll use the option called Screen Clipping. Go ahead and click on Screen Clipping. At this moment, PowerPoint will minimize automatically and your screen will turn slightly gray. That means the tool is ready. You'll also notice your mouse pointer has turned into a crosshair. This is your screenshot selector. Now, simply click and drag your cursor to choose the exact area of your screen you want to capture. Start from one corner of the area and drag across to the opposite corner. When you release the mouse button, PowerPoint will instantly capture that section of your screen and place it directly into your slide. And just like that, your screenshot is ready. You can now resize, move, or crop the image just like any other picture in PowerPoint. Click and drag the corners to adjust its size or reposition it anywhere you like on your slide to fit your design. This built-in screenshot feature is a huge time saver. No need to switch between tools or paste from outside apps. Everything you need is right inside PowerPoint. Try practicing this a few times and soon you'll be inserting clean, precise screenshots into your presentations with ease. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick PowerPoint and Office tips, and drop a comment below if there's another feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy presenting.